Welcome back to Wave of Wealth. I'm Nick, and today we're going to talk about how to use Shopify for beginners, of course. So first thing first, Shopify.com, guys, you can check it out, of course. Just type it in your browser and you're good to go, making commerce better for everyone. So what we need to do is to select our pricing. So right here, you can press on pricing, guys. You need to choose your plan. Good news for you, you get your 7 days free trial. That's it. 7 days free trial down below. You can check it out, guys. For example, basic, once the 7 days free trial is end, you can see in top right corner, start free trial. And after that, $1 for first month, basic for solo entrepreneurs, most popular, guys. But it's $24 a month, billed once yearly. So you need to multiply that by 12. If you want to be billed once a month, then it's $32. $1 for first month, Shopify for small teams, again, billed yearly, $70. $1 first month, $299 right here advanced. And of course, there is no $1 first month, guys, for plus package right here, starting at $2,300 US per month on a 3-year term. And you can see the benefits and everything, guys, but I recommend you, if you're a beginner, definitely start with the basic one. It has everything you need. 7 days free trial, first month for free, guys. You get like 38 days, guys, for $1, and you can learn everything you want to learn about Shopify. So we can just log into our account. How to use it? Once you log in, guys, this is how your account will look like. Home, orders, products right here. In orders, you can see your orders, draft, abandon, checkout, guys. Products, of course, here is where you add your product. So collections, inventory, purchase orders, transfers, gift cards, and everything. Here you can set up stock, you can set up sales channels, markets, category type, vendor, and everything. We have our previous videos about it, guys, where I added these products to my store. This store just for the video purposes only. It's not my real store, of course, guys. So purchase orders, transfers, gift cards are here. Customers, you can see customer segments and everything. Content right here. Of course, analytics is something that's extremely important in this business, guys, so please keep track on that. Reports, live view, marketing as well is here, campaigns, automations, discounts. But the very first thing that you will probably do when you go to Shopify, guys, is to make your online store. So right here we can check it out. Sales channels, online store. Themes, blog posts, pages, navigation, preferences, and everything. You can check it out how it actually looks like. This is for a basic template. It's called Dawn. So I made my store on Dawn template. You can see plenty of videos on our channel, guys. How can we do it? How can you do it? How can you do it for pet store, for plenty of other sub niches, guys? But in general, you can see we can customize it right here. So here you can customize your store. Before that, I just want to show you how my store looked like. So you can check it out. Wave of Wealth, welcome. Everything that you see right here, we made, guys, drag and drop style, super easy. Home, catalog, contact, Wave of Wealth, new collection, browse our latest products, shop all, guys. We have ebooks right here, for example. Down below are planners, you can check them out as well. Subscribe, of course, newsletter is down below, guys, and we can add plenty of more pages, but we didn't do it because we will do it in some future videos. Customize, as I said, is definitely the very first thing that you need to learn about Shopify, is how to customize your marketplace, guys. So here you can see how it looks like. Again, watch our previous videos, guys. We've done plenty of it, customized plenty of stuff, guys. So check it out. Announcement bar, header right here. You can add section, as I said, plenty of sections right here. Announcement bar is right here, guys. You can see it. Template, image banner is here. You can delete it even if you want to do it. Image banner, for image banner, I recommend you to use Canva or similar software like Photoshop or something like that. Just have a unique template, guys, and unique banner for your marketplace, because when you copy someone, that usually don't work out. You can get some problems and stuff like that. And if people saw that picture somewhere before, they will just lose interest in your site because it doesn't have authenticity. So make a pretty easy banner, guys. Again, we made amazing videos on our channel about it, so feel free to check it out. You can see templates down below, featured collection, 1 featured collection, 2 footer is here, add section, footer, and everything. You can press on footer, and you can down below see subscribe to our emails. You can delete it and maybe just write email, newsletter, whatever you want to do, just type it in. It's super easy, drag and drop, guys, and that's just a regular steps. How can you get to know with Shopify? How can you get started with it? Because as I mentioned before, every single possible thing that I show you right here, you can see on our channel. I mean, plenty of stuff. How to add banner, how to add logo, guys, how to make your marketplace, how to select good template, and everything down below. How to add products and blah blah blah, and plenty of other stuff. So feel free to check it out right now. Explore our channel, guys, and see which kind of templates can you use, what kind of other programs, Shopify apps can you use for your Shopify marketplace, guys, how can you do marketing in a good way, guys, and everything like that. So give it a shot, check it out, guys, subscribe to our channel, and of course, if you have any questions about it, please, if you're a beginner, guys, type down in comment section. I will try to answer you as soon as I can, and maybe even make a video about it. So see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Until next time, goodbye.